Well, finally, 4 years later, we're here at a Kroger here in downtown Indy. We have here is an Otis. Here's Series 4. Aggravate.
Want to take another ride or stay?
Yeah, I'll do another ride. This panel is flimsy. Hi, this is your first time filming a Kroger. Well, an elevator with a Kroger. Kroger with an elevator. Notice that the door unlock things, see? Close, there we go. Watch this. Cool. Very cool. Now watch this. We're here at level 1.
With the interlock.
Very cool. See, they had this gate right here. There goes the elevator.
Yeah.
I guess that was could be it for me.